kami guys, pauwi na kami. Balik na po kami sa katotohanan. At andito po kami ulit sa Peng Chau Ferry Pier going to Discovery Bay po. In 7 minutes or 8 minutes. At yan po, lalarga po na ang ating ferry. So, ayan po yung Peng Chau Market. Ayan po yung Hong Kong Bank. At ito po yung ating pantalan. Ayan po guys. Ang oras na po ay 5:45 in the afternoon. At ito po yung ating view ngayon na pabalik ng Discovery Bay. What's till the end guys, and thank you so much everyone. Magkapareho man kami ngayon ng place ni Ate The Evelyn Vlog, pero hindi ko po alam kung kailan ito papalabas. Okay po guys, so thank you for watching everyone once again. Bye bye Peng Chau, see you next time. Ayan po, nagbubuelta na po ang ating ferry na sinakyan. So once again, yan po ulit ang ating view as usual. Sumakay sa ferry. Andito po tayo at makikita natin yung sunset. Sunset is in the way. From the very top of the mountain, nandiyan po ang sunset. Diba guys? Sunset is there. Ayan ang ibon. Sumakay ang ibon. Lumipad ang ibon. Eh, di ba? Ayan po guys, ang ating sunset. Ang ganda. That is the real sunset. Malapit na yung sa bundok. Ayan guys, medyo maingay yata kasi nandito ako sa likod, sa pinakalikod ko. Ayan po, solo namin ni Ate Evelyn ang Top Ferry. Dito po kami sa double deck. Ayan, doon kami galing kanina. Ayan si Ate Evelyn. And there's the place. So, dito tayo. Solo natin. Kunti lang po yung yung karga na papunta sa Discovery Bay kasi wala namang pumunta dyan ng hapon na, diba? Ang maraming karga nito pag galing sa Discovery Bay. Ayan guys, naiintindihan nyo ako? Well, it's your problem pag hindi nyo ako naiintindihan. Charot. Well, this one is the sunset. Sunset is that is the sunset, and sunset is that. Diba? Andyan yung church. Yun yung church sa against the light na guys. Ang ibon na to pasaway. Nagsakay ng ferry. Yan ba tayo galing? Ayan ang island. Diyan po kami umikot. Balik sa pwesto. Yan po ang sunset. Sunset natin. Oh, di ba? Palubog na ang haring araw sa likuran ng bundok. Di ba guys? So, yan. Ganda, ganda. Yung nakakuha ko ng crabs. Yan guys. Ay, nandito na pala kami guys. Nandito na pala kami. One. Diyan po kami sumakay. And guys, so this is it, pansit. Hinihila ni Manong ang kanyang boat. Hindi niya makuha.
The ropes are sinking in the water with it. And it's not over, then you pulled it and goes back again. Bring it back this way, jump on the dinghy, or at least bring it back about 3 or 4 feet. Yeah, fit that one over. Which one pulls the dinghy in? There. I think it's the other one that pulls it in. Now let me show you which one. It's the other one. No, you still want it still in between. You have to bring it, get on that boat again. You know why? Because there's ropes are too loose. And they're going under the water and then it's getting caught up.